Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to add custom fonts to your Wix website. Uploading fonts helps keep your brand consistent and gives your site a unique look. On the Wix dashboard, go to the upper left corner and click the drop-down button for your website. Then, click the option to see all websites. You will be taken to a page listing all your websites. After choosing a website, hover over it and click Edit Website. This will take you to the website editor. To change a font or upload your own font in Wix, click the option on the font or on all text options. If you are not a premium user, the upload button will not appear at the top right of the text view. The upload option is only for premium users. For premium users, here's what you see and how it works. After you create a text and click Edit Text, font options will appear. Click My Font. After clicking My Font, you can upload any fonts saved on your desktop. When you select My Fonts, you will go to a page to choose your font. Now, you can pick your font and use it on Wix. Once you select your font, you can apply it to your text. You can also see the upload font on the lower right of the font choice. Click the upload and select the file on your computer. Once uploaded, you can now start using your font. This process is simple, but only available to premium users. If you do not have a premium account, you will not see the upload or My Font option in the font editor. Using custom fonts can help your website look more professional and match your brand.